Anong ano nila, nag-terno sila?
Ang ganda.
Ha? Terno silang dalawa.
Mami Herno pa.
Tapos yung mami walang kayos-ayos.
Nanganak eh. Nanganak yung partner niya. Ayan.
Oh.
Ano na?
Buenas noches, señorita. We are the dreamers, but the world needs doers. This Christian Milaho, 11 years old, representing grade 6 gratitude.
Good evening, everybody. There's a saying that a journey with 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Hi, my name is Ian Gabriel Herno, 12 years old, representing grade 6 gratitude. Thank you.
Ganyan na naman yan. Sino sa kamon?
Judge number 2, Engineer Romero.
Wala ka gawa ng third place. Uy, kami noon. Pero nanalo kami kayo.
How are you, Krisa?
I'm fine.
What is your favorite subject?
Computer.
Computer. Unfortunately, my question is not for a computer. Okay, here's your question, Krisa. Your teacher asked you to answer the sheet work on your math book. Unfortunately, you cannot answer the sheet work because you were absent on the time that your teacher discussed the topic. So, what will you do?
Thank you for the question. I'm going to tell my teacher that I'm absent yesterday and I'm going to ask her to teach me or taught me that lesson again. That's all, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Krisa.
Nanginginig na nga ako eh.
Mr. Ruel Ontiveros, judge number 1.
Yung isa meron. Yun.
Hi, Gabriel.
Hi, Mr.
Do you know how to sing the Philippine National Anthem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the question. Every Saturday, Altaj is having the national anthem and the flag ceremony, of course, right? Now, on Saturday, you were late and they are already singing the national anthem. What will you do? You're already at the gate and they're already singing.
I will stay. Thank you for the question, Mr. Again, good evening to all of you, judges, teachers, and students here in Philippine Embassy. I would stay in the gate and participate in their national anthem. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, pair number 3. Another round of applause to our finalists. Would like to announce, if you're ready with your meal stuff, you can get it from that area. And also, we'd like to request and solicit the support of the parents to maintain actually the orderliness of this venue. Alright, as much as possible, we refrain our children to actually run or roam around in the area. Thank you. Now we move on to our class presentations.